In this task, we would like to compute the power function. Again, start with the base case. If the power is 0, we know we are done with this function. So power equals 0, just return 1. Now, I would like to solve my problem. This problem has very big similarity with the factorial itself. My power at power 5 is as same as my value times my power when it comes to 4. So let's say I'm passing here 7, so 7 and 2. Let's say 7 and 3. Now 7 and 3, so the power of, like, mathematically, if you got lost, mathematically 7 to the power, say 5, is as same as 7 times 7 to the power 4. So this is mathematically equal. That's why I'm making my recursive call to be 7, which is here, times the power of 7 to the power of 4, and so on. Again, remember our rule in tracing recursion. Focus more on the what and less on the how. I have a call of 7 and the power 5. And the call here is 7 times 7 to the power 4. What is the answer of 7 to the power 4? Something. Multiply it with 7. Are we correct? Yes. Do not keep tracing this this recursive function. In the next one, we would like to do a list sum of 0 or more elements. So let's see here. We are going to define a function. Again, what is the base case? The base case is if the list is empty, then return 0. And then what is the second one? The sum of the list is my value plus the sum of every element on my right side. This is how we are going to define our recursive function. So let's say we have here elements like maybe something like let's say we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I would like to sum that. So I'm telling myself that the sum of the list from 1 to 6 is as same as 1 plus the sum of the numbers from 2 to 6, which is the sum of 2 plus the number from 3 to 6, which is the sum of 3 plus the number from 4 to 6, which is the sum of the 4 plus the number from 5 to 6, which is the sum of the number from 5 to 6, which is 6 plus something that is empty. This is the logic of the list function. Again, let's say that you failed to trace to get the idea by yourself. So how to trace that? As following. You ask yourself, what does this function do? It computes the sum of numbers. What is the result if I passed for you the list starting from 2 to 6? It is going to return for me the sum from 2 to 6, which should be 20. Okay? Now, if this is 20 and I added the 1, it's 21. Are we correct? Yes, we correct. You see, I didn't keep tracing and tracing and tracing forever. Once you reach a recursive call, you ask the what, not the how. I hope you got it.